How to state in requirements.txt a direct GitHub source. I've installed a library using the command, which installs it directly from a GitHub repository. This works fine, and I want to have the dependency in my requirements.txt. I've looked at other tickets like this, but that didn't solve my problem. If I put something like in the requirements.txt file, a pip install our requirements.txt results in the following output. The documentation of the requirements file does not mention links using the git plus git protocol specifier, so maybe this is just not supported. Does anybody have a solution for my problem?
Normally your requirements.txt file would look something like this. To specify a GitHub repo, you do not need the package name == convention. The examples below update package to using a GitHub repo. The text between @ and hash denotes the specifics of the package. Specify commit hash 41b95 in the context of updated requirements.txt. Specify branch name, master. Specify tag, 0.1. Specify release, 3.7.1. Note that hashtag egg=package2 is not a comment here, it is to explicitly state the package name. This blog post has some more discussion on the topic.
Editable packages syntax can be used in requirements.txt to import packages from a variety of VCS, Git, HE, BZR, SVN. Also, it is possible to point to particular commit.
Requirements.txt allows the following ways of specifying a dependency on a package in a Git repository as of pip 7.0:1. For GitHub, that means you can do, notice the omitted E. Why the extra answer? I got somewhat confused by the E flag in the other answers, so here's my clarification. The E or editable flag means that the package is installed in then path/src/some project and thus not in the deeply buried then path/lib/pythons.x/site packages/some project it would otherwise be placed in .2. Documentation. 1. This URL. 2. This URL.
First, install with git plus git or git plus https, in any way you know. Example of installing Chronox branch of the Bravian project. Second, use pip freeze is greater than requirements.txt to get the right thing in your requirements.txt. In this case, you will get. Third, test the result.